Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to set up auto email response in Outlook. Okay, so first thing that you're going to do here is you just have to open the Microsoft Outlook on your computer. That's right, and then you have this file option at the top right. So simply tap on it and then select the settings. That's right. So under the settings, just go to the account section and you'll be able to see here now the auto replies. Okay, so make sure to turn on this one. Okay, so here you can also be specific, like send replies only during a time period, or turn on the automatic replies to let people know that you are away. So after that, you just have to add here your message that you want people inside your organization to receive. So you just have to keep it short and professional. For example, um, like thank you for your email. I'm currently out of the office and I will respond as soon as possible after I return. After that, you just have to you can also tap on this one. So make sure not to do that. So just add your message here, your message. That's right. Okay, so add your message. After that, you just have to tap on the save option. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.